What's up, traders? It's Kevin from Avery Day Trading. Today I'm going to be breaking down why I choose to trade with Trade the Pool, the prop firm, and why you should too. A few important things. There's low risk, high leverage, and real opportunity. Let's face it, a lot of us, we get tired of what? Blowing up small accounts. Small accounts can be challenging to grow. Well, you're trading your own personal capital. You've worked so hard to earn this capital, and you're just having a difficult time growing it. Well, when you're trading somebody else's capital, it relaxes the emotions a little bit. I'm going to walk you through why I joined, how it works, and why I think you could benefit from this as well. Trading the small account, really tough. For one, for me personally, the edge that I trade requires a lot more capital. And when you're trading $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 accounts, the drawdowns are significant. And if you're like me and you're a mean diversion trader, it's hard to really scale plays because every dollar you're kind of stressed about. So you got to hit single entries perfectly and try to work your winners as much as possible. Well, prop firms solve this, and especially Trade the Pool, where I can trade equities and I can short any ticker I want to. That's the beauty with Trade the Pool. I can short anything. There's no hard to borrow. I just click the sell button and it shorts where I want it to. So there's a couple bullet points I want to present to you right here. A, there's no personal capital at risk. B, you have access to a large amount of buying power. C, there are clear rules and structures for these evaluations that you have to pass. And lastly, there's scaling opportunities with Trade the Pool. So to break it down, what Trade the Pool is a prop firm where we trade equities and you go through an evaluation phase that you have to pass. Now, you pass this, then you get funded. You need to prove your consistency. Once you do that, again with minimal risk, you buy these evaluations for very cheap. What you do is you go through an evaluation phase. You got to prove your consistency. Once you prove that, then boom, you're funded with up to $200,000 in buying power. I love that about Trade the Pool. You're not trading options, not futures, not anything else other than equities. Here's a couple things that stand out to me with Trade the Pool. A, the barrier to entry. This is so great, guys. When I first started out trading, there was nothing like this. You had to put your own capital at risk. I remember I was trading $10 a trade in commissions for one. They didn't have any of this, so I traded my own personal capital, and round trip was paying $20 per trade. Very expensive, the barrier to entry to trade. Well, Trade the Pool commissions are minimal. You don't have the platform costs, the market data fees. You buy an evaluation for a one-time cost, and then there you go. That's your only barrier to entry. So traders can learn how to trade with minimal risk. The saying goes in the stock world, the stock market makes the rich people poor and the poor people rich. This is great because of that, because we're starting out with minimal risk with maximum return for when we find and prove ourselves in the stock market. Something else that stands out to me is with the flexible accounts, there's no time limit. You can just trade your edge consistently over as long as you want to pass this thing. Now, there's two different accounts. You can have a disciplined or a flexible. I'm on the flex, so I'm not restricted by time. If I keep doing that long enough, minimize the risk, I either have small wins, large wins, or small losses. We want to avoid large losses entirely, but sticking to that system, our equity curve should look like this. Number 3, there's daily drawdowns. So on my 25,000 flex account right now, I can't lose any more than 500 on the day, or it just auto liquidates me. I'm locked out for the day. Now, this is to protect the account. When it locks you out, you can pay to get access to your account that day if you need to, but it's an accountability thing. They want to protect you pretty much from yourself, because in trading, you're the most important thing. It's you versus you. Number 4, they have a transparent scaling plan. So as you're proving your consistency and growing, so is your buying power. And number 5, their support team is great. These are real traders, so they know the ins and outs of everything. They can help you side by side along the way. Trading your own personal capital increases that volume dial as far as the emotions go on your personal trading. I know this all too well, and that's why they say even scale down. If your sizing is heavy, your emotions are going to be heavy as well. So sizing down, using somebody else's money, these are the emotional dials on the account that help clear out our judgment, right? Our judgment no longer clouded. We can trade freely. So traders, if you're serious about leveling up your trading, I think Trade the Pool might be a good idea for you. I got 5% off for you. It's going to help you out. It's going to support the channel, and the link in the description below, or it's going to pop up right here for you guys. Click that link. You're going to get 5% off of your evaluation, and let me know in the description below if you guys have tried prop firms before, what you think, and if you're excited to join Trade the Pool, or any questions you have. I'm always happy to help the green team out. Traders, love you guys. Happy trading.